everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into RBS Mastercard online. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. In the web address bar, type in www.rbs.co.uk and press enter on your keyboard. Soon after you do that, you'll end up on the official page. RBS Mastercard is a credit card offered by the Royal Bank of Scotland. It is also known as the leading bank in the UK. The card is designed to give customers access to their credit for purchases and other transactions with the added benefits of earning rewards and cashback on purchases. To log in and access your Mastercard, go and click on the login button at the top right hand corner and then type in your credentials in the login page in order to access your credit card. You can select how you'd like to log in by choosing either customer number option or the card number option and follow through the on-screen prompts. If you've chosen the card number, you'll need to type in the 16-digit card number on your debit or credit card. Similarly, if you've chosen customer number, type in your customer number, which is your date of birth followed by your unique identification number. After filling in your credential correct, click the continue button and follow the instructions on the next page and you should be able to get access to your RBS Mastercard online. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.